just finished rapping and we totally rocked it.
Because we're awesome.
We're like totally awesome. Yeah.
Stop it.
I shouldn't talk like that. I was getting made fun of because I say like a lot. So I'll be like explaining. I'll be explaining a story and then I'll be like.
No. And then
I will say. I will say. Oh, we did this, and, like, we did this, and then we were going like this, and then, like, he said, she said, like, that, and, like, everything, like.
Yeah.
So my dad would be like, whatever, and I'd be like, shove it up your butt. But, yeah.
Our full people talk like this nowadays.
I know. Valley girl.
You're to blame, darling, you can't know
A bad name. Don't mind my screamo. I'll turn it down a little bit for ya. So, we decided that we're gonna become professional rappers because. Oh my god!
Look, you posted a video!
I posted a video by dropping my phone. I'm just so talented, it's not even funny. Yep, so we have another video. So in the past, like, 2 days, we've recorded, like, 12 videos. But yeah, we're gonna become professional rappers and, like, rap all the time.
You betcha.
You'll see us on billboards and on TV and movies and magazines.
And then we'll bring you along to all the hot clubs and
get some go. What's my nails? Rip. What? Your hands and your fingertips. I should try Screamo. Oh my gosh, we should do Screamo.
that's
Oh. Ready? I don't know what you're talking about.
Ready?
Shut through the heart, and you're to blame. You know, burning. How? Ow! What? I know a couple. Oh wait, hey, let's show upstairs. You just gosh roomed me. Oh my gosh, no you didn't. Gosh, Josh, don't gosh room me. Don't gosh room me, gosh. Gosh! I like them apples. Suck on that. Easy 10, your anger is getting out of control. I'm gonna throw this pillow at some. Just throw it.
A what?
Just throw it. Oh, you hit me in the face.
Come on.
We're gonna go eat noodles now.
If you want, you can go see upstairs.
No, we're gonna stop the video.
Come on.
The video.
Come on, we'll show it off upstairs.
We'll show it later. Stop it.
Why?
Now.
We're gonna show you upstairs, but Teresa doesn't want you to see my house. Okay, bye.